The air feels great, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I love life.
Yellow diamonds in the light. I was standing as a shadow.
It's about Suzanne. I'm crazy about her.
Suzanne?
I just want to leave.
But my mom's not coming for another hour and a half.
Fine, I'll walk.
But Nicole!
Give me a reading. Blood pressure's 90 over 50. You're losing her. What's the kid's name? Nicole. Nicole, stay with me now. Nicole. Nicole. Nicole.
Nicole! Nicole! You're awake! Joel, she's awake.
Gave us quite a scare, little one.
He was a famous trumpet man from out Chicago way. He had a boogie style that no one else could play. He was the top man at his craft. But then his number came up and he was gone with the draft. He's in the army now, a blowing reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of company.